Planning to repaint your home exterior in 2027? This year's color trends are shifting in a big way, moving away from harsh contrasts and toward natural, calming, and long-lasting colors that blend beautifully with the environment. In this video, we're counting down the top 20 exterior paint colors for 2027, from warm neutrals to earthy greens and bold modern tones that designers are loving right now. Let's get started. 1. Warm Greige. Warm greige continues to dominate in 2027 thanks to its perfect balance between gray and beige. It feels modern yet soft, making it suitable for almost any home style. This color also ages beautifully over time. 2. Soft Off-White. Soft off-white replaces stark white in 2027 trends. It reflects light gently and creates a clean, timeless exterior. Perfect for modern farmhouse and minimalist homes. 3. Clay Beige. Clay beige is inspired by natural soil tones. It feels warm, grounded, and very inviting. This shade blends beautifully with stone and wood elements. 4. Muted Sage Green. Muted sage green remains one of the most popular nature-inspired colors. It creates a calm, organic feel that connects the home with its surroundings. Ideal for both modern and traditional homes. 5. Olive Green. Olive green is deeper and more sophisticated than sage. It adds richness without being too bold. This color works especially well with natural landscapes. 6. Moss Green. Moss green brings a forest-inspired tone that feels earthy and peaceful. It's perfect for homes surrounded by greenery. In 2027, it's a top choice for biophilic design. 7. Warm Stone Gray. Warm stone gray is a softer alternative to cool gray. It complements concrete, brick, and stone textures beautifully. This color is modern but still welcoming. 8. Charcoal Blue. Charcoal blue is replacing traditional navy in 2027. It offers depth with a slightly softer, more refined tone. Ideal for contemporary and coastal homes. 9. Deep Forest Green. Deep Forest Green is bold yet grounded. It creates a luxurious, high-end look without feeling overwhelming. Best used on modern or large-scale homes. 10. Terracotta Clay. Terracotta clay adds warmth and personality. Inspired by desert landscapes, it feels natural and expressive. This color is trending for Mediterranean-style homes. 11. Muted Rust. Muted rust is a softer version of terracotta. It adds depth and uniqueness while staying subtle. Perfect as a main color or accent. 12. Soft Mushroom Gray. Mushroom gray blends gray and brown tones. It creates a warm, modern neutral that feels sophisticated. This is one of the fastest growing trends for 2027. 13. Sand Beige. Sand beige is light, airy, and inspired by coastal environments. It helps homes look brighter and more spacious. Ideal for warm climates. 14. Smoky Bronze. Smoky bronze introduces a darker, earthy tone with a modern twist. It feels rich and elegant without being too heavy. Works great with metal and wood accents. 15. Eucalyptus Green. Eucalyptus green is a softer, slightly dusty green tone. It feels fresh, calming, and very modern, perfect for minimalist and eco-friendly homes. 16. Soft Taupe. Soft taupe offers a balanced neutral with warm undertones. It's extremely versatile and easy to pair with other materials. A safe but stylish choice. 17. Creamy Ivory. Creamy ivory adds warmth to classic white tones. It keeps the exterior bright while feeling more inviting. Ideal for timeless designs. 18. Driftwood Gray. Driftwood gray is inspired by weathered wood. It gives a natural, coastal feel to the exterior. This color works well in relaxed, modern homes. 19. Oxide Red. Oxide red is a bold yet earthy statement color. It brings personality while still feeling grounded. Best used for accents or feature walls. 20. Soft Charcoal. Soft charcoal delivers a modern, dramatic look. Unlike pure black, it feels more balanced and easier to maintain. perfect for contemporary architecture. Those are the top 20 exterior paint colors for 2027, designed to be modern, timeless, and connected to nature. Which color is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you find inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home design trends and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.